I'm redoing the same video I made before about chords. Had some audio issues last time, so here we go again. This one's for beginners, so if you're just getting started, it should be super helpful. Harmony is a big deal when making beats on a KO2, or really anywhere. There are a couple of ways to approach it, so let's start with playing a chord progression straight up. Quick recap: a chord is just a bunch of notes played together. Music is all about experimenting, coming up with new sounds and ideas. But there are also some rules. Chords are based on the scale of your music. The KO2 has 10 scales you can choose from in the settings. You can pick different scales either through the system settings or by punching in a code, like 311 for a major scale. Modify the scale and find the major scale you want to use today. Go to System Settings, press Shift plus System. Navigate to the pad, press Enter, then Scale plus Enter. From here, you'll see all the options. Pick Major. Exit the system with Menu. There's a faster way too. Just use the code. Press Shift plus System and type the code for the scale you want. For example, 311 for major, 312 for minor. Now, let's change the key of the song. Navigate to the key settings and you'll see all 12 keys. Let's stick with C major. Quick music theory note: the major scale has 7 notes, each with a number. In C major, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, and so on. Using the Key 2 layout makes harmonic numbering easier to understand. The black pads are numbered 1 to 9. In major mode, pad 1 is your root, and pads 8 and 9 take you back up an octave. Going the other way, you can descend the scale. When writing a song, the chords come from the scale you're using. Each note can be the foundation for a chord that fits the harmony. We're keeping it simple here, so we won't go too deep into theory. But know that major, minor, diminished chords exist, and they each come from the scale. Here's a basic way to build chords. Pick a note, skip the next one, play the next, skip, and play again. This gives you a simple triad. You can also use chord voicing, which mixes up the order of notes. For example, if a note is missing in a chord, find it elsewhere on the pads and play it there. You can do this for all chords. Different voicings, same harmony. Spend time practicing different chords and voicings. I even made a free PDF with all the chord shapes and voicings you'll need. You can grab it from the link below. Once you've got your chords, it helps to practice some typical chord progressions. Here are 4 popular ones. Thanks for watching. Check out my other beginner tutorials and grab the free PDF. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and show your support.